welcome to part 7 of my Honda PC50 restoration. In this video I'll be showing you what we've done to the wheels of the PC50, but first some exciting packages have arrived that need opening.
What do you want, dog? I think he wants a walk.
Don't say the word. Well, we're very excited.
I'm excited.
Graham's very excited. I'm excited. The parts from Uruguay for the PC50 have arrived, but they've obviously been opened at the border and they took forever to get here, probably because of that, customs. But
we'll put the link in the video where we got the bits from, but it's amazing, you can get stuff from Uruguay quicker than you can from your own country.
There's nothing in there.
Just get it open.
It's only foam. Look, you've just ordered foam. That's what you've ordered.
Well, that's what we've got.
Foam.
Shut up.
And more foam. No, I'm only kidding.
Stop building your part and get the parts.
Stop building your part and get the parts. Oh, there's something in here. Can't get it out for the foam.
Yeah.
Oh.
Front mud guard.
A new one.
Fantastic. Okay. These are really expensive, so I've got really good value from these. They might be remanufactured, but it doesn't matter. Looks the part.
So, I might need scissors for this. Yeah, I don't want to damage anything. I've got it.
Don't bend it.
I'm not going to bend
There you
it.
go.
There we go.
Fantastic. Yeah, so these are the stickers for the sides of the tank, and the thing they've printed on aluminium, so they look really good. They're authentic, so that's very good.
And then this one. And the more.
Now this is the grommet kit for the bike, and these are the white bits that go into the frame. Fantastic. So very, very pleased with that little haul, and we'll now open the other package that's come from David Silver Spares.
So what's this lot?
Right, well, you see, I didn't press the button, so we'll have to do that bit again because the package is actually already opened. Oops. Sorry about that. Yeah, that was my fault. My fault. So this is another package we got from David Silver Spares with the other bits in we need for the PC50. So let's see what he sent us.
Ooh, bits. Bits and bits and bits. Oh.
My fault.
Bits. Ooh. A bit.
Oh, hang on a minute.
A bit and a bit.
These are the new valves. Oh, what have I done here? There's 3. There's only 2 valves.
Oh, crikey.
Get the label out. What have I ordered?
Right, you have ordered.
No, that's not it.
Is that it?
That's it. Oh, yeah, for some reason I must have ordered 2 exhaust valves. If anybody wants an exhaust valve for a PC50, I have one going cheap.
Gasket kit.
That's a gasket kit for the carburettor when we clean that. Okay.
Oh, handlebar.
No, it's not. It's a hand grip.
Well, it's the same thing. It goes on the handlebar.
Grip. Right, that's the squidgy one, so I think that's the one that goes on the throttle. New
Spark plug.
Yeah, well, I thought you'd have a spare anyway.
Oh, I don't have a lopsided bike now. There's one for each.
Oh, that's the one that goes on the handlebar. Is there
Now,
anything else? There should be. Oh yeah.
I look forward to clearing this lot up. And
An engine gasket
Gaskets.
set. We actually only need the head gasket and the rocker cover gasket and the base gasket, but They're always useful to have. Yep. Good, 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 good. So that is that for now. So here's a package from Fabio Casperas, our good friend in Uruguay, who has the PC50 store, and we've got some new parts. So this package left on the 14th of the 11th from Maldonado in Uruguay. It arrived in Brazil and left Brazil and went to, well, Campinas, that's the airport in Brazil.
Yeah.
That went over to Memphis in Tennessee, good old boys. And then from Memphis it came to Stansted in London, and then London to Bradford, and then straight to our house this morning via Ridgemont for some reason. Control cables for Tina's Honda PC50. And I really hope we've got the right speedo cable.
Oh, crumbs if we haven't. Da, 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 da.
Hey, these look like Honda parts.
Oh, we have genuine parts, it says so.
A rubber
Thing, I remember that one. Yeah.
grommet, yeah.
Grommet.
Speedo cable, and it is the right one. Oh, fantastic. This is the one I thought I couldn't get, but that's the one with the square end and the clip that goes in. Excellent. Okay.
Alright, we have got
More rubber grommets.
and another.
Cable thing. Oh, that's good.
We've got this. Control cable.
Yeah, that
Ooh.
looks like it's a brake cable.
Woohoo! That means I can brake. Yay!
Yeah.
Or I can have a brake.
I don't know what that one is.
Cable decompressor.
Oh, that's the cable. Yeah, that's the one that was actually split and broken, so that's good. Excellent.
Yeah. And then that is a cable free note. Ooh.
Brake cable. Rear brake cable. I think, or front brake cable, or rear brake cable.
Yeah. Cable accelerator.
Accelerator cable.
The other side. Yeah.
Fantastic. So that's been a really, really
Fabulous.
good bargain pack. Well, that just shows you I didn't expect to get the grommets as well. So thank you, Fabio, for that. And the link to his page will be in the description below. And if you need any parts for Honda PC50, he's the go-to guy. And do not fear buying from Uruguay.
Right, we've decided not to have the wheel re-chromed because it's not going to be cost effective to do that. So we're going to take all these parts off, and we're going to spray the rim after we've cleaned it all up. Give this a bit of a polish as well because it looks a bit dull. Right, so looking down there, it seems that there's no offset to the hub, so it's sitting central to the rim, which hopefully means that the spokes on this side are the same length as the spokes on this side. So the first thing I'm going to do to make sure that they are exactly the same length is to take one spoke out from this side and one spoke out from this side.
Tina didn't mention that she'd pre-soaked her nipples. Just shows the genius of the engineering with Honda. So when these nipples go back in, the actual thread comes right to the top of the nipple and still leaves enough room for a screwdriver to put it in. So assembly should be very easy. So they're exactly the same length. Excellent. So that means it's a non-offset, so that makes life a lot easier. So it's just a case of taking all the spokes out now.
Back in 2 hours. So the nipples on these three are rusted on solid. You still get the screwdriver in, but they're just not turning.
Yeah, if you turn it too much, it starts putting too much pressure on this end here, and I don't want the spoke.
Yeah.
Well, we definitely don't want the spokes to snap.
Could snap off.
So using the mole grips, we can hold onto the shaft of the spoke, so we're not putting any tension on here.
Yeah. So even though we've used the Specialist WD-40 Fast Relief Penetrant, it's still not helped.
Yeah.
Not in these cases. So we go to the big guy. Heating the nipple will expand the metal on the nipple faster than the spoke, and that will break the seal that the rust's made.
Oh,
that has worked.
that was easy.
Yeah. That is the joy of magnetic screwdrivers.
So we'll just wait for that to cool, and then chuck it in there. It'll be right now.
Get in there. Now the real hard work begins.
So what are you using?
Brillo pad.
Oh yeah.
Just your everyday cleaning Brillo pad. Well, that's started to make a difference already. I'm going to clean up this rim with a 120 grit flap wheel. Taken the spokes out of the rear wheel as well as the front wheel, and the rear wheel was in worse condition than the front wheel. So I'm just going to use the flap wheel to get the worst of the rust off. I'm just going to take this off and swap it to a wire wheel. Right, I've screwed the nipple on one of the spokes, and I'm going to clean that as well. And because the wheel's turning this way, it's going to tighten the nipple on the spoke rather than make it fly off. You can see a difference there already, and I've only been doing it a few seconds. This is our test spoke, and I've cleaned it with panel wipe.
It's then had the etching primer, and then finally a coat of this sort of simulated gloss, well not sorry, simulated chrome paint, and it seems to have come up brilliantly, doesn't it? I'm real shocked with
Well,
that.
when you look at these,
Oh yeah, yeah,
look at the difference.
I know. But there you go, so that's our test done. It's just a case of Tina spending the next 6 hours.
Hours.
Yours. So that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.